today let's talk about one of the more common problems that people struggle with. It's one of the most common musculoskeletal complaints, neck pain. It can really have an impact on our daily life, our function, our mood, and can create a variety of symptoms, from headaches to localized neck pain, to muscle tension, even to radiating pain coming down an arm or both arms, for example. And so how do we manage this? Oftentimes we want to stretch this area. We're going to show you a quick, simple tip to improve your stretching and lessen the likelihood of you having pain while stretching. We all know the influence of posture on neck pain. And so if we sit, the upper trapezius is a big muscle that's broad from the shoulder, the collarbone, the shoulder blade, and runs up all the way to the back of the neck and attaches even on the back of the skull. And so most of us, as we stretch, we're not focusing on posture, especially if you're feeling pain locally in the neck and you're not feeling that stretch that we're desiring. And so if I just sit kind of relaxed, oftentimes, and for most of us, the head comes a little bit forward and we get this little rounded portion in the neck. And so this muscle's constantly tight, constantly under tension. And so if I go ahead and I try to stretch from here and add some pull, I'm compressing my cervical spine, I'm adding load to the back aspect of the neck. We call that the facet joints, and oftentimes this causes pain. And so one quick, simple tip to improve your ability to create stretch through your upper trapezius, which can have huge relevance for how you feel and how you function in life, is to create a little bit better posture, get upright. And the main tip with this is we need to get the head pulled back slightly and nod that chin down. Sometimes I'll cue folks to just take their hand and gently guide it there. And once we're in this position now, we can start to create that stretch to one side or the other, to where we start to tilt and even use a hand to come over top. But now I've lengthened the soft tissue structures in the back of the neck, and we're going to lessen the likelihood of you getting pain locally in the neck itself. Again, stretching is different than that pain response. We want to find that stretch. So if I face you here, and we get upright, shoulders back, and that little bit of a chin nod down to lengthen the back of the neck, and then we take the ear towards one shoulder, and you should feel the stretch on the opposite side of which you're going toward. This is a nice upper trapezius stretch. There's a lot of ways to add variety to this, but the trick with this, the tip to remember, is upright posture and gentle chin in toward the front of the throat with a subtle chin nod. It's going to have huge benefit for you in the long term. I hope this video is helpful. Stay tuned for more in the future.